Hello, my name is Jessica Palarca, and I'm an associate attorney with Reddy Newman Brown PC here in Houston, Texas. I've been practicing law for over 10 years, both in the private and nonprofit sectors. Our law firm has specialized and worked exclusively in the business immigration field for over 25 years, and we are dedicated to making a positive impact in the business community by helping businesses and their employees navigate the complex and often confusing U.S. immigration system. Today, I would like to give you an update on the current processing times for all of the issuance of prevailing wage determinations and the adjudication of PERM applications. The Department of Labor has issued updated processing times as of May 1st, 2024. A prevailing wage determination is the official determination by the Department of Labor of the wage level that must be paid to workers employed in a certain job category in a specific geographic area. The purpose of a PWD is to make sure that foreign workers are paid a wage that is at least equal to the wage paid to similar positions in the same area. This helps prevent the displacement of U.S. workers by other workers who may be willing to work for lower wages. Most employers who are seeking to sponsor a foreign worker for a green card are required to obtain a PWD as part of the process. For prevailing wage determinations, the National Prevailing Wage Center is currently processing PWDs filed November of 2023 for OEWS wages. For non-OEWS wages, such as wages gathered from a private wage survey, the National Prevailing Wage Center is processing PWDs that were filed in March of 2023. PWD redetermination requests submitted in December of 2023 are currently being processed. It is important to note that the reported processing times are what the agency considers to be within the normal and accepted range. This means that it is entirely possible for prevailing wage determinations to be processed and issued sooner than the stated time frame. At Reddy Newman Brown PC, we are currently seeing PWDs take about 5 months on average to be issued. As for PERM applications, as of May 1st, the agency is processing applications filed in April of 2023. On average, DOL is adjudicating PERMs in approximately 387 days. This is over 12 months of processing time. For applications chosen for audit, the agency is currently working on PERM applications where the response was submitted in December of 2022. On average, the PERM applications are in audit review for 478 days. What this means is that if a case is selected for audit, an additional 3 to 4 months is already added to the process. For reconsideration request filed with the certifying officer, DOL is currently looking at requests filed in April of 2023. Currently at Reddy Newman Brown PC, we are seeing PERM applications adjudicated in about 12 to 13 months. This timeframe is consistent with the average being reported by the Department of Labor. This means a case can take as long as 17 months to be processed if it is selected for an audit. That is almost a year and a half. Unfortunately, we do not anticipate the time it takes to process PERM applications to improve in the near future. These long processing times for both prevailing wage determinations and PERM applications pose a serious problem that will continue to impact not only foreign workers, but their employers as well. Reddy Newman Brown PC's ongoing PERM delay litigation has shown that the Department of Labor adjudicates PERM applications based on the assigned month rather than on a first in, first out basis. Applications are not necessarily processed in the order that they are received in during that month. For example, the application could be submitted to the agency at the beginning of the month on the very first day and still somehow be the very last application processed out of all the cases submitted that month. In June of 2023, DOL implemented a new form ETA 9089 that is submitted through the flag system. The structure and contents of the new form has changed as part of the transition, but the regulations that govern the PERM process have not. While the new form aims to streamline the PERM process and increase efficiency, it is very possible that the new system could actually lead to additional delays. As premium processing is not available to speed up the process for PWDs or Perm applications, it is recommended that the Perm process be started as soon as possible. Time is of the essence. Working with an experienced attorney will ensure the process is successful from the very onset, as any mistakes, no matter how minor, could require the entire process be started again, causing major delays. Certain individuals may qualify for alternate options like an EB-1A immigrant visa or a national interest waiver. You can book a consultation with me here at Ready Newman Brown PC to explore these alternates to determine if you are qualified and can even bypass the lengthy Perm process entirely. Here at Ready Newman Brown PC, we focus solely on U.S. employment-based immigrations and work with employers to establish best practices. We can assist in exploring all the options for your individual situation and devise together the best strategy and solution for obtaining your desired results. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you have found the information to be helpful. You can click on the link below to find more information on the Department of Labor's current processing times for prevailing wage determinations and Perm applications.